Hello everyone, today we will start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Comprehension. Let's begin the chapter. Chapter 20, Comprehension, Passage 1. Now, a powerful earthquake registering 7.2 on Richter scale hit the western part of Japan on 7 January 1995 to 055646 hours Japan time. तो अब बहुत ही earthquake आया, बहुत तेज था, रिक्टर स्केल पे आया 7.2 का, जापान के वेस्टर्न पार्ट को हिट किया 7 जनवरी 1995 0546 आवर्स जापान टाइम था वहाँ का. उसका एपिसेंटर वाज अबाउट 20 किलोमीटर्स था beneath अवाजी आइलैंड, 30 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम कोबे. इट वाज जापान का सबसे वर्स्ट अर्थक्वेक था क्योंकि वेरी पावरफुल वन स्ट्रक ईस्टर्न जापान 1923. फिर 1995 का जो अर्थक्वेक था उसने इन्फ्लिक्ट किया सबसे ज्यादा लॉस ऑफ लाइफ को, डैमेज टू बिल्डिंग्स, रोड्स, ब्रिजेस, रेलवेज एंड कोब एंड कोस्टल सिटीज जो थी वहाँ पर नियर टू अवाजी आइलैंड. ओसाका जापान की सेकंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी थी जिसको वहाँ पर भी बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज हुआ, ब्रिंगिंग द डेथ टोल टू जस्ट 500 ओवर हो गए थे. जापान एक अर्थक्वेक प्रोन कंट्री बन गई, बट द एरिया जो उसके आसपास था कोब हैड नॉट बीन नोन टू बी डेंजर जोन. इट इज़ देयरफॉर सरप्राइजिंग कि एक अर्थक्वेक जो है ऑफ दिस मैग्नीट्यूड शुड हिट द एरिया. देयर आर क्वाइट अ नंबर ऑफ seismographs and sensors that detect earth tremors throughout Japan. ये जो these instruments are supposed to help earthquake researchers predict earthquake. So with an early warning, people could be evacuated to safer places. It was disappointing that in case of the Kobe earthquake, no early warning had been given. So unexpectedly बहुत से newer roads, buildings जो badly damaged हुई, ये जो roads थी and buildings थी, engineered, they constructed to withstand earthquakes के रोकने के हिसाब से बनाई गई थी. Fortunately, कोबे न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट मैनेज्ड हुआ कि एस्केप डैमेज भी नहीं हो पाया. अगर रेडियो एक्टिविटी हैड लीक्ड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ डैमेज टू द प्लांट, so it would have a triggered severe and long lasting damage on health and environment. So Kobe earthquake ने inflict किया such massive damage that reconstruction would be long and arduous. Early warning system too has been receiving the extra attention it needs, especially also because of one big is expected to strike the Tokyo region in the next 20 to 30 years, according to the earthquake researchers. Now, on the basis of this paragraph, we have to answer the question given exercise. When the Kobe earthquake struck, most of the people in the region were probably, so they were going to work. Kobe earthquake caused much damage and loss of life because it was Japan's first earthquake in, since 1923. Which one of the following statement is true? The Japanese were not prepared for the Kobe earthquake. Newer Kobe roads and buildings were not expected to suffer much damage because they were supposed to be earthquake proof. The earthquake researchers in Japan have since been working to improve the early warning system because a major earthquake is expected to strike in the next 2 or 3 decades. So like this, you have to just read out the passage and you have to answer the questions on the basis of it. And you have to read out all these passages given. Like this is a poem. Fame is a food that dead men eat. I have no stomach for such meat. In little light and narrow room, they eat in the silent dawn, with no kind of voice of comrade near to bid the feaster of be of cheer. But friendship is a noble thing. Of friendship it is good to sing. For truly when a man shall end, he lives in memory of his friend, who doth his better part recall and of his fault make funeral. So it is written by the Henry Austin Dobson. You have to answer now. Answer the following questions by choosing correct options. Why the expression fame is the food that dead men eat? We means, so why the expression fame is a food that dead men eat? It is fame is something like food. Friendship is a noble thing because a man always remembers the good qualities friends after his death. Friendship is better than fame because in friendship, a man is always happy in the company of his friend. I hope you all have understood this chapter. You can go through this chapter again and complete the exercises. We will meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.